Foreign ministers for their remarks. Let me share that we have just concluded the second trilateral meeting of the foreign ministers of Azerbaijan, Turkey and Pakistan. The first round of the trilateral meeting was held in Baku in November 2017. In today's meeting, the three sides discussed a wide range of global and regional issues and the possibilities of deepening trilateral cooperation in all areas of common interest. The meeting was followed by the signing of Islamabad Declaration. And may I now request the Honorable Foreign Minister of Pakistan, His Excellency Shah Mahmood Qureshi, for his remarks, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am delighted to welcome my friends and brothers, the Foreign Minister of Turkey and the Foreign Minister of Azerbaijan. Pakistan enjoys close, cordial, brotherly relations with both these countries. The three countries harbor tremendous goodwill, trust, and have a history of affection for each other. We've just concluded the second round of the trilateral meeting. As the spokesman mentioned, the first round was held in Baku in 2017. Our discussions today focused on a range of topics. They revolved around trade, how do we promote trade, investments, connectivity, security, people-to-people contacts, strategic and political cooperation. We have a shared convergence on a variety of issues of mutual interest. We want to promote peace, stability, and development in our respective regions. We've decided to intensify and deepen our trilateral cooperation and make this dialogue a regular feature. We deliberated on the evolving global and regional security environment, identified common challenges, and our common concerns were systematic and gross human rights violations, crimes committed against humanity, particularly Muslim minorities, rising trend of Islamophobia, challenge posed by COVID-19 to human lives and livelihoods. We've agreed to build trilateral cooperations in the field of economy, investment, trade and commerce, energy, environment, education, and culture. We discussed road, rail, air connectivity, which is crucial for regional integration, promotion of bilateral trade, tourism, and people-to-people contacts. We want to enhance linkages through parliamentary exchanges, enhanced media interaction, collaboration amongst our think tanks, artists, and tourists. My counterparts appreciated Pakistan's role in the Afghan peace process. We reiterated our determination to continue extending support to one another on all issues of core national interest. Government and people of Pakistan and the Kashmiris remain profoundly grateful to Turkey and Azerbaijan for their principled and steadfast support on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. I informed my friends and colleagues in detail on the evolving situation and the dire situation of human rights violations in the occupied Kashmir, prolonged military siege, deliberate, illegal and unilateral actions to make demographic changes in Kashmir, reiterated Pakistan's resolute support for the efforts towards comprehensive settlement of the Cyprus issue on the basis of the political equality of the two communities. Pakistan has consistently called for the resolution of the Nagorno-Karabakh issue in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions. We exchanged views on how to strengthen cooperation to combat all forms and manifestations of terrorism, including terrorism sponsored by foreign states. I briefed the foreign ministers on the state sponsorship of terrorism in our region in an attempt to destabilize Pakistan. I also highlighted the campaign waged against Pakistan through a network of sponsored media outlets and fake NGOs as exposed by Disinfolab EU. I will conclude by saying that we believe that all regional and global issues must be resolved through dialogue and peaceful means within the framework of international law. I thank the foreign ministers for their visit to Pakistan. This visit, in my view, will bring the three countries closer, further, and it will deepen our existing excellent ties. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. And may I now invite the Honorable Foreign Minister of the Republic of Turkey, His Excellency Mevlüt Çavuşoğlu, for his remarks, please.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm very pleased to visit brotherly Pakistan once again, and I would like to express my appreciation to brother Qureshi for the warm hospitality and for organizing a very successful trilateral meeting today. First, a few remarks on Turkey-Pakistan relations. Pakistan has a unique place in our hearts, and we support each other, particularly in difficult times, and cooperation during the pandemic is a recent example. And we want to hold the 7th meeting of the High-Level Strategic Council this year in Turkey. This is also what we discussed today with Honorable Prime Minister Imran Khan. And today we started preparing this upcoming summit together with my brother. When we look at the economic cooperation, the trade volume is around $800 million. Obviously, it doesn't reflect the true potential of both countries. So we want to bring dynamism to our economic cooperation, and the strategic economic framework document signed by President Erdogan and Prime Minister Khan during the previous high-level strategic cooperation council meeting here in Islamabad provides a necessary roadmap. And we are happy to see Turkish investors in Pakistan, and we are encouraging to increase their investment. There are around 100 Turkish companies active in construction, infrastructure, services, and consumer goods. And we are expanding our cooperation in defense industry as well, and attack helicopter, Milgem corvettes, and Pakistani Mushak aircraft are few examples. And we are proud of Pak-Turk Marif schools in Pakistan. There are 83 schools, and today we signed an MOU together with the Minister of Education, our brother Şevket, on Marif's activities, and they will open more schools and a university in Pakistan, and we are grateful to brotherly Pakistan for their support. So, ladies and gentlemen, as my brother Shah Mahmood Qureshi mentioned, today we held the second Turkey-Pakistan-Azerbaijan trilateral foreign minister meeting as well, and I'm very happy to see my brother Jeyhun once again, and it has been a while. We couldn't see during this war. We were seeing each other almost every week, and we will today agreed to continue working together to advance security, stability, and prosperity. And this was our second meeting, as you also reminded us. The first one was in Baku in 2017. Now it is our turn, and we will host the third meeting in Turkey. And today we agreed to convene this format meeting more regularly. So we will not have to wait for another 3-4 years to convene the next round of our ministerial. And today, three of us underline the importance of connectivity and developing an infrastructure in transport and energy. And we discuss joint response to the regional developments, Jammu Kashmir, Nagorno-Karabakh, Cyprus, Eastern Mediterranean, and the situation in Afghanistan. And we express our full solidarity with our Kashmiri brothers and sisters in the face of worsening human rights situation and demographic change, especially in the last 2 years. We believe unilateral steps complicate the situation further. We reaffirm our concerns and expectations, which was also addressed recently within the OIC and during the OIC ministerial meeting in Niger. And we believe in the dialogue and peaceful settlement of the dispute through the relevant UN Security Council resolutions. And we appreciate a strong support of brotherly Pakistan to the rightful struggle of brotherly Azerbaijan to liberate their territories. And we hope Armenia seizes window of opportunity for lasting peace. Please, with the meeting between the Azerbaijan and Armenian presidents in Moscow, and we will continue to support Azerbaijan to restore peace and stability and to rebuild its liberated lands. And today, as you also witnessed, we signed the Islamabad Declaration, and we will officially tomorrow inaugurate the new Consulate General compound in Karachi tomorrow. And I would like to express once again our appreciation for all the support that you have given. And this is one of our largest compounds in the world. So this itself actually shows the importance that we give to Pakistan. And at the end, I am honored to receive the Hilali Pakistan Civil Award from His Excellency President Alvi, and this also is also signature of our brotherhood. Pakistan Zindabad, üç renkli bayrağınla mesut desa Can Azerbaycan, and Turkey, Pakistan, Azerbaijan, Dosti, Zindabad. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. And may I now invite the Honorable Foreign Minister of the Republic of Azerbaijan, His Excellency Jeyhun Bayramov.
Thank you. Dear Ministers, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to attend the second trilateral meeting of Ministers of Foreign Affairs of Azerbaijan, Pakistan, and Turkey. I thank our dear Pakistani hosts for warm hospitality. Using this opportunity, I especially would like to thank my brothers, my dear brothers and colleagues from Pakistan and Turkey for the firm support extended to Azerbaijan during Second Karabakh War. They condemned Armenian aggression, occupation, and war crimes. They supported conflict resolution based on sovereignty, territorial integrity, and inviolability of state borders. They raised their voices in international arena to restore justice. And we highly appreciated this principal position taken by Turkey and Pakistan. It was a position of real good friends and true partners, and Azerbaijani nation appreciated this. During the victory celebration, people in Azerbaijan were proudly waving Turkish and Pakistani flags. Our three countries share many strong bonds. We share history and geography, religion and culture, roots and traditions. But the most important bond is common vision. It forms a solid foundation for growing cooperation between our countries. Azerbaijan, Pakistan, and Turkey strongly believe in sovereign equality of states. Our foreign policies are defined not by foreign domination, but rather by our national interests. We condemn aggression and terrorism. We reject discrimination and Islamophobia. We strive for understanding through dialogue. Our regular consultations help develop cooperation between our countries in many fields. The cooperation potential is vast. We must explore and use it to the full extent to the common benefits of our nations. Our three countries are located along the old trade routes. We are using the factor to develop new projects in the fields of transport and commerce. This will help increase trade and transit. New jobs will be created, bringing income to our citizens. This will contribute to raising quality of life. This will contribute to regional prosperity and stability. Ultimately, this will contribute to world peace and sustainable development. I would like to conclude by inviting the companies from Pakistan and Turkey to join the process of rehabilitation and reconstruction of newly liberated lands of Azerbaijan. As I said earlier, we were proud to have your strong support when these lands were occupied. We will be glad to your cooperation to bring these lands back to the life. Thank you again for a very well organized third meeting, trilateral meeting, and we will have a chance to discuss our bilateral agenda tomorrow, and I am sure a lot of important projects and important areas for cooperation will be possible to discuss. We will discuss tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Excellency. And with this, let me conclude this session.
अफ्रीकी मुज़ाकरात के बाद तुर्की, आज़रबाईजान और पाकिस्तान के वज़राए ख़ारजा की मुश्तरकः प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आप मुलाहिज़ा फरमा रहे थे। आज़रबाईजान के वज़ीर ख़ारजा का कहना था कि निगोर्नो काराबाख पर पाकिस्तान और तुर्की की हिमायत पर शुक्रगुजार हैं। दोनों ममालिक ने आर्मीनिया की जारहियत की खुलकर मुखालफत की। इससे कबल तुर्क वज़ीर ख़ारजा ने इस मुश्तरकः प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस से खिताब में कहा कि ब्रादर मुल्क पाकिस्तान आमद पर इंतहाई मुसरत है। 100 तुर्क कंपनियाँ पाकिस्तान के अंदर कंस्ट्रक्शन समेत मुख्तलिफ शोबों में सरमायाकारी कर रही हैं और पाकिस्तान की जानिब से सिविल अवार्ड दिए जाने पर میں پاکستان کا مشکور ہوں. جبکہ اس سے قبل وزیر خارجہ شاہ محمود قریشی نے کہا کہ تینوں ممالک کے درمیان تجارت، سرمایہ کاری، اسٹریٹجک اور پولیٹیکل تعاون اور خطے میں امن و استحکام کے حوالے سے مذاکرات میں گفتگو کی گئی. پاکستان دونوں ملکوں کے ساتھ برادرانہ تعلقات ہیں اور تینوں ملکوں نے سہ افریقی مذاکرات کے تسلسل کے ساتھ انعقاد کا فیصلہ کیا ہے. اور اس کے ساتھ ساتھ آذربائیجان اور ترکی نے افغانستان میں قیام امن کے لیے پاکستان کے کردار کی تعریف کی ہے.